Hi, I'm Marty Boehner with Haib. We build Waltco hydraulic tailgate lifts and Moffett and piggyback truck mounted forklifts. We use KUNDEL cranes, material handling cranes throughout our shop. We've had different brands, we've tried it, but our workers are pretty sold on the maneuverability, the ease of use, and the full coverage of the entire work area, easy movement with the KUNDEL cranes. We also have had third parties install them, and they've told us that they're some of the easiest cranes to install. Another reason we use them is they are local. They're in Ohio, as we are, but also very responsive with any issues and questions. They seem to take care of us pretty much. They ship when they say they're going to, and the parts are usually complete, and we've had no issues with them. But it's good to know that we're dealing with a partner, not just a supplier, that if there are issues, they have a whole crew to work on them quickly and get us moving. So that's why we use KUNDEL cranes, and we'll continue to in the future.